Welcome to Venice Beach, the hanging bars of hell. If you make it 2 minutes, you get $100.
There are always people that beat the challenge.
It takes $20 to make $100.
Those two contestants been there over a minute already. They only have a few more seconds left and then they made it. But it looks like she's struggling already. We'll see if she can make it. Nope, she's going down. And he's going down.
They can't do it.
They're dropping just like flies, one after another. They don't have the strings to keep holding onto the bar. See? Boing, boing. How good is your grip? There's some more contestants that made it. He explains it to the people. You just gotta get a good grip and then you just let yourself hang down and be really still. Who can do it? Who is next? That's the question.
This bar is rolling, so you gotta hold it really still. I can't do it, but maybe you can do it. Another contestant.
Coming up, guys. 1 minute, 20 seconds, we'll give away $100 cash. Everybody gets a unique time according to the body shape and size. That way it's fair for everybody. Sir, for you, only 30 seconds. We'll give you $100 cash, sir.
What?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear that? He said 30 seconds, I get $100. He only said that because I'm so fat.
This girl is next. He points out where you can read up the time she has remaining. And she's just hanging there. She is pretty athletic looking. She's doing a really good job. She's just hanging there really still. And that's how it goes. You cannot move. And he's counting out the time she has left. Everybody in the audience is thinking, can she do it? Okay, they're getting their phone out, taking pictures. Few more seconds to go. And she's still really cool, but her grip is getting looser and looser and looser.
Guys,
30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Can she do it? Oh shit. She can do it. She can do it. She can do it.
20 seconds.
Oh, what is she thinking? Come on, girl. Hold on. You can do it.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
She didn't make it. Oh my God. 5 seconds to go.
Guys,
5
I
seconds.
want you to also understand two things, guys. Number one, the bar rolls, guys. It rolls. You must understand that. Two.
So this bar is not really stiff. So when you try to get a little hold, it's gonna move. So that's when you lose. You cannot be heavy, you gotta be skinny. Not fat like me though. But I can do other things, that's okay. Each his own. I can make henna tattoos. Who's gonna be next? Who is gonna be next? That's the question right here. That's a good way to make some money here. So if you think you can do it, come down to Venice Beach, make $100, no problem. If you're skinny and you have the strength, come down, make $100. I recommend not to do it. She is skinny. Everybody's trying to get a grip here. But it's not easy. It is not easy. Those guys are still debating if they want to do it or not. Another challenger. He has to hang 2 minutes in order to make $100.
1 minute, 45 seconds for this guy. We're going to give him $100 cash.
He's 30 seconds in. Really concentrating. 40 seconds in. And he's still not moving. He's really hanging down there, trying to keep his cool. Those are the longest 2 minutes you're hanging on the bar. No, you can't re-grip. That's how you lose.
And he looks buff. That guy looks buff. Now the girl thinks she can do it. But she's just testing right now.
I think if you hold the bar this way, it's even harder than the other way around. All the people in the audience, they give good advice, but nobody can really do it themselves. No, she can't do it either. It does look easy if you stand there and look at people doing it. It is hard. Yep, those are the bars of hell. Really hard. Everybody thinks they can do a quick $100 bill. This way. No, now we're gonna do this way, or maybe back the other way. And now I'm pulling myself up. No, girl, that's not how it goes. All right, here comes the new guy. Pretty muscular thinking. You think praying will help you? I don't think so. Concentrating, and then you let yourself go, my friend. Let's do it. Holy moly, this is hard. This is hard. No, I don't think you can do it. Let it go. There we go.
It's fun to look at it.
Yeah, the new guy, Mr. Gucci. A Mickey Mouse sweater with the Gucci shirt on. Let's see it, what you can do. Alright. He's hanging there for a few seconds. Let me see. Oh, no.
You gotta have the core strength. It's not the muscle, it's the core strength in your stomach. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, push your notification bell, and I see you in my next video from Muscle Beach, California, Venice Beach.